every single day. I'm gonna.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for watching this video. For the people who do not know me, my name is Rochelle. My brand is the DIY Affiliate, and I help new internet business owners to choose a niche, create a brand, and navigate through the jungle of affiliate marketing. If you have not chosen a niche yet, then it's time to do some research. You can watch the 5 videos I created while doing the research in choosing a niche. You can learn about the top 5 free keyword research tools. Have you chosen your brand yet? The second video is about choosing a brand strategy for your domain brand name, how important it is, and a key element in starting your online business. By the end of this video, you would have learned about SiteStripe, how to post your affiliate links, create banners, and products on your WordPress website. Just the facts, let's get down to business. Selecting your product. Here you can search all of Amazon, or you can search by the categories that Amazon puts its products into. You can also search by your niche. Now my niche is survivalism, and everything falls under the sports and the outdoor. You can refine it, and you can go through the different options here. And then use your keywords. Click on the Go, and this will bring up what you are looking for. Go into your Amazon Associate SiteStripe on the top left and click in your text and image. This will bring up your HTML, which is computer language. This is what your banner will look like. And then you just copy this HTML, go back over to your post, click on the plus button, look for custom HTML, click into the custom HTML, and then paste your highlighted, copied text in, and then click preview. Go back over to the Amazon, scroll down to frequently bought items, click on the next item, text and image, this is the fastest way to be able to get your products on your WordPress. Pull up a sticky note. Here you can see you have other images coming up for the LifeStraw personal water filter for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. Go to text and image. Highlight the HTML, copy it, go back over to your post, click on HTML, go down to where it says the iframe, make sure that you have a space in there, and then click paste. Preview. So now you have your main product and also a supporting product that's frequently bought together. And continue doing that for the last product. And you don't need to have to put any other information in at this point. And this is the last one. You do the exact same thing. You click into it. Then you get your text and image HTML and post it into your post. Make sure that you are in your HTML. And you'll see the iframe. Make sure that you leave a space and then click into paste. Click on preview. And there you have the 3 frequently bought products together. Click update and then view your post. So this is the featured image right here. Here is your gallery. Items frequently bought together, and these are links. The categories and some of the tags. Now with this theme, you do have the option, and I'm going to go here, is to actually put products in. So you can add products to your WooCommerce. You can use your external affiliate links. You can also sell your own products. Just going to go into my products. Just going to go all products because I think I have already added this one. Edit. To add a new product, you would click on the Add New. I'm just going to edit this product just by clicking in my edit. So this will give the appearance as an e-commerce store for products. Okay. So you would put your title in here. Wait till this is fully in. Once this is fully in, you would put your title in here by typing it in. doesn't need to have. You can add a video, or you can add some other type of video, some other type of media by clicking in the Add Media. You would put your information about your product, so that would be your description. Your product data would be the external affiliate product. If you click in the downward arrow, you will see you have simple product, group product, external affiliate product. When you are with Amazon, you are using external affiliate product. Your product URL, your button, your price, and if there is a sales price, and the tax status, it is taxable, and the standard. Okay. And then you have your product short description, and then you can add a review. So if you add a review, you would then go Add Comment. You would go back to your first aid kit, and then you would look for the reviews, which are here. Where you see these stars, just click on the stars. And then here you can see the ratings, and then you could see all customer reviews. Okay, so why do you want to add a review? You want to add a review because it gives the product credibility, that other people have bought it and this is what they think. So then you scroll down to the bottom, and you can see here are customer images. Here is something reviewed in October 9th, 2018, verified purchase. That is a top review, that's 2018. If we click in here, it also says 20 people have found this helpful. So this looks like it is a 5-point review. So you want to copy this whole review. And copy that. Go back to where it says Edit Product Information, where it says Add Comment, and then you're going to paste this information in there. It says 5 out of 5 stars. So what you want to do is add an emoji stars, or I have mine in my keyboard up here. Okay, and then you're going to click on Add Comment. Okay, so even though I have added it, this is what the person has said. Okay, and then of course your product tags, in which you can easily add in here. Let's just add another one. Okay. And here are your categories. You would choose where you would find this in the emergency preparedness. And you can always add a new category. So we're going to add that new category. You can also choose from the most used tags that are relevant, showing your sharing buttons. And your sharing buttons are located in your settings. And then you can add product gallery images. So these are going to be images that are relevant. And you can only add one at a time, it seems. So we're going to add one at a time. We're going to make sure that we have alt text, our title, our description, short description. So I'm just going to use this one here. Add to my gallery. And you go through each product and you do that you are adding. And then add to the gallery. And at any time you can take products out, and you can also move your products around. The title in, caption and description, and then add to your gallery. You need to click update and make sure visibility is public, status published, catalog visibility, shop and search results. View product. Here is the review. People want to see it, and this is by me, but I have copied the information from an actual person right there. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found it helpful, then please click the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. This is a DIY affiliate wishing everybody a wonderful evening.